Looking for the pressure, rest up on my shoulders. All a nigga wanna do is make it to the top. Looking for the pressure, rest up on my shoulders. Gotta keep it pushing to the day a nigga drop.
Can't get this from nowhere else. It's only Genoa.
What it look, wait, I'm just tryna go, I've been tryna get these, wait, I'm just tryna, look, wait, I've been kicking habits, getting shit to happen, I'm just tryna go and do so much chitter chatter, shit that do not matter, moving so make, doing nothing, wishing that I wasn't rolling with my cousin, shit, these niggas bugging, I think that she right, but shit, this just our life, I had seen that shit twice, I had seen 222 a fire million night, I've been kicking verses, cursing niggas, cursing half the shit I got, I don't play it, looking in the past, frustrated, I'm so focused on, renovating cycle, been a limo, simulation bliss, so I turned down my review, ain't no reason, money don't come from the back, I'm never sleeping, money can show how you like and miss your beat, can I keep the peace like skill, keep it real, wait, got it on a leash, I feel, we could kill, wait, niggas think it's sweet, I will, keep it real, please don't miss your beat, so chill, wait, we for real, can I keep the peace like still, wait, keep it real, got it on a leash, I feel, we could kill, wait, niggas think it's sweet, I will, keep it real, wait, please don't miss your beat, so chill, we for real. We for real. Too many layers, but we can peel it back like the top of a lap with the Mac on your lap, but we got different heat we kill. Reversing with verses, rehearsing still. Cause I don't got all of my cursing skill. But I can merch once I get perp at my work, make a burst through the ceiling. Now be for real. We for real. Staying calm. Tell me what station I'm playing on. Don't you know that I see the future and that just my Mewtwo? I'm snapping like Ray Simone. I need a placement on something that's paying off. That can get taken wrong. That confusing money. That shit that haters off. Dreaming the thing when you lay shake that latence off. Guess it's 16 the thing that get these ratings off. Can I keep the peace like still? Keep it real. Wait, got it on a leash. I feel. We could kill. Wait, niggas think it's sweet. I will. Keep it real. Please don't miss your beat. So chill. Wait, we for real. Can I keep the peace like still? Wait, keep it real. Got it on a leash. I feel. We could kill. Wait, niggas think it's sweet. I will. Keep it real. Wait, please don't miss your beat. So chill. We for real.
Bitches Molly, get it started, Yes, yeah, ayy. Please don't be that nigga that get hit with that switch outside, cause he tryna impress a bitch. $30,000 in my pocket on my mama. Every time I stuff it in, it's gon' bust out every stitch. Whipping in the Audi, that's the coupe. Count the seats, it's only two. I'm either Dolo or I'm ran with your bitch. And you be acting like she all sexy, but to me that shit perplexing. Cause I promise you the bitch ain't really shit. But now you talking shit. That chopper got that nigga ducking. Was it worth all the assumptions? I'ma open up your packet, now you're leaking honey mustard. 07, the candy guts and starburst with a pack of suckers. Basically what I'm trying to say is you niggas sweet like no other. But back on top, and don't forget I'm Molly G, so never drop it. They say I'm always fresh to death, like what my coffin. I try to keep some lean around, but I ain't coughing. And they don't see the switch up, like when the Glock switch out. And now it's
alright, man, so it's next day
supposed to be
after the pod show with Dope Man. It was most definitely nice, but the real situation was downtown, as y'all seen in the footage or whatever. But now it's next day, recovering from last night, and now I'm out here about to run a course with my cousin. Yes sir, my cousin Damo, man. About to show him how to do oil change. Yeah, about to do that. You got a what year is this? What year is this? 2019 Nissan Rogue, right? Okay, this is 2019 Nissan Rogue. We about to do an oil change on this thing, man. So, as y'all can see, it's actually pretty spacious in here. So,
put a big engine in this thing.
maybe, right? Put a V8 supercharged.
No.
But yeah, so we got the oil dipstick right there. We got the oil, whatever that is. Yep, that thing. I forgot that. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all gotta excuse me. I'm having brain farts right now. I just woke up not too long ago. So then you got that down there. If you point that's the oil filter.
Doing that. It's hot.
Yeah, that's the oil filter right there. So we gonna go get that oil filter from the bottom. So, like I said, man, we about to run a course on the oil change. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get the process of us doing the oil change. Yeah, think it is me. So we gonna jet the car up. And I'm gonna turn the camera back on.
Oh.
Alright. So as y'all can see, we on the ground.
We on the car.
We under the car.
We right there under the thing.
Be right up under here right now. And
make oil go thing.
we about to make oil come out. As y'all can see, I done already loosened it up. That's why you see, hold on, let me focus.
It's locked.
Focus.
They don't want to focus.
Focus.
They don't want to.
Focus.
Okay.
What is wrong with
There
there
you
it go.
go.
There it go.
Clear as fuck.
So like I was saying, you see his little oil coming from under there. That's because I already loosened it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
Open the mouth.
I just wanted to. What?
You go open the mouth.
I don't know what wrong could. I don't know what wrong could. But anyway, we it's about to start dripping. So I just want to. I just want to bring. Shut your ass. I just want to bring.
It's dripping.
I just want to bring y'all into the mix of us doing
Work.
the work. So yeah, let me.
A little scary. Okay.
So yeah, so we got that dripping. You know what I'm saying? We got this over here. That's the oil filter. That's gonna come off too.
Pop it out.
You understand? And Cud back here. You understand what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Learning, soaking up the knowledge.
I don't even like being on grounds and shit.
He don't.
Nope.
Know who does though. You understand what I'm saying? But yeah, man. So let me just okay.
Oh God,
I'm just trying to.
I don't like it.
I'm just trying to. Oh, what the hell? Got the. The fuck was that?
My phone, my fucking keys in my pocket.
Oh, you think to set that alarm off? All right, so we on.
You sure you on top?
We on now.
I don't think you right there.
Okay. So what I do is I always just loosen it all the way up. You understand what I'm saying? Like that. Then bam, let it shoot. You understand what I'm saying? Right into the pan.
You ain't got no oil gloves.
Huh?
You know what gloves to do to shoot it?
I usually do, but I ain't got none right now.
This shit look dirty.
Yeah, it is. It is. So yeah, man. So
I'm doing my own next time.
ooh. Go ahead and put that on the rag and
You
wipe
gotta
my hand, dog.
How you watch your head?
Right. Huh? What you
Watch
say?
your head.
I
You
got
don't
this.
get the oil on your hat.
It's okay. It's okay. This is a work hat.
Do you need to move it back? Oh, it's dripping.
Oh shit. I didn't know I was that close. This shit on my hat? You get on my hat? Oh
I told you
man.
that. You ain't
Oh
listening.
man. I'm talking shit. Tell me it's okay. It ain't okay. It ain't
Telling
okay.
me, I told you. You telling me. You oil change,
I'll see it.
man.
Dirty oil. Ooh.
That's the
Chocolate
woman car.
fountain.
That's what happens when a woman drives her car and don't change the oil on time. That's what it looks like. Brittany, look at this video. So
Brittany, you better
dirty
look at
oil.
this video.
You got
This is
dirty oil. That's what your oil look like. Change your damn oil.
Yeah. Y'all see the little dribbles coming out?
No, not the dribble.
Mm-hmm. Keep dribbling,
The
dribbling.
other shit dripping over there.
It look like a what?
Over there, something dripping too.
There's something dripping there. Where is something dripping? Oh, that's your what's her name, man? That's your condensation dripper thing.
Got me.
You drove the car already?
Brittany did earlier.
She had the AC on? I don't know. Probably sure, right? Exactly. That's where that came from. That's where that comes from. Alright. So
That's it.
that's it. Cause we got the oil right here. And it's still dripping a little bit. You see it dripping like right there.
Don't drop your phone in the oil, Chris.
I ain't gonna drop my phone in the oil. Don't be saying stuff like that,
Hey,
man.
man, I look like a Muslim on the camera.
Yeah, speak it to existence.
I look like I'm about to. How she got to like a lie? Okay, I'm done.
Anyway, so we got the boom shakalaka right there. It's almost done dripping. Oh, Tabo,
Huh?
go up top, man. I need you to go up top. Open up the oil thing and pull out the dipstick. Not at the same time, but just do that. So I tell them to open up the oil filler and the dipstick. That's what it's called. I keep on saying oil thing. The oil filler and the dipstick, just so we have enough airflow to go through there so all the oil drains. Did you do it? You try to do it now. See if we get a little more flow after that.
I can't use my other arm. It's open.
It's open. You pull the dipstick out. And it started flowing a little more. Y'all see that? It started flowing a little more. So you do that. When you do an oil change, you always want to have those two things open and exposed so the airflow can go through there and everything can drain out properly.
Why do we have to start the car all the time?
Huh?
When you get your oil change, why you gotta start the car?
That's after they put the oil in there.
Oh,
You don't want to start the car without the oil. You say, why how you start the car when you don't get your oil change? That's after they put the oil in there. Then you start the car now. Ain't gonna be no more car. You understand what I'm saying? Huh? No, I actually got that for somebody else, but ended up not needing it. So, but yeah, man. So getting the last little drips out and all that good stuff. So once this thing drains all the way out, we'll move on to the next step. Get that I don't mean. And we are back at it again. Okay. So, let me show y'all. So tighten the drain plug back up. Now I'm saying, dry it off. Make sure you know no excess oil up there, because you want to know if you have a leak or not. You know what I'm saying? Once you fill it up and all that good stuff. But yeah. So now we have the oil filter. If you got an oil filter like this one here, it's always good. I just told him to get him some of these. Oil filter wrench.
he ain't never had that before.
He was a lie. But oil filter wrench works on most oil filters that look like that.
Little pieces.
You know what I'm saying? So that's all you gotta do. Just put that on there like that. Give it clamp it on there. And give it a couple good turns to the point where you can loosen it with your hand. Oh, y'all. There we go. Yeah, you hold that. You got it on there. So yeah. Oh shit. So there you go. Because these things is not always easy to come off by hand. There's been times where I've had to like bang a screwdriver through the filter just so I can get it off. Just so I can have a little more leverage. But this gives you that instant leverage that you need.
Get you one of them.
Get you one of them. Yeah, most definitely makes your life easier when you're doing oil change. So, got the oil pan right here. Don't get no oil on my other phone. Put that over there. And then, man. Let's go.
Let me get the camera.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you do that.
I knows it. I knows it. I told you.
Oh, unscrew it until it comes all the way off.
That's a nice splash there. Sorry.
I'll keep a rag on standby. This is not the cleanest job.
Very oily. Want the new one? How that work?
Yeah.
There you go.
So, verification. So like, this is perfect right here of the example of what I was talking about. Right. Hold on with that real quick. Perfect verification. So look at this. You see this? Look at this and look at that. What do you see that's missing?
The inner shit.
The black gasket, right?
Yeah.
Because the black gasket is stuck up there. That's something you always want to check when you're doing an oil change. You always want to check and make sure the gasket, let me see. You always want to check and make sure the gasket is not stuck up there. Because what will happen is you put the new one on there and now you got double gaskets and then you have a leak. So you can see the gasket stuck up there, so that's all you gotta do. It ain't hard for it to come off. You just hit it off like that and it comes right off. Bam. The gasket. You have to make sure the old gasket is off of there, because if you don't, you are going to have a problem. So, that being said, all right, let me take that.
No. I'm checking my surroundings. You know, I'm ready to bust you.
Okay, so new gaskets, old gaskets off, new gaskets on here. So, take some oil.
That boy dipping his finger in oil.
Lube up like
Uncle Dirty Shoes.
take some oil, lube it up like that. Lube that up like that.
Uncle Dirty Shoes.
I'm telling y'all, I'm showing y'all this to save y'all a couple $100.
For real, for real.
Save y'all like $100 every month.
That's what's these about? $80, $90 now? Yeah, up there.
So after you do that, you got this lubed up and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Nice looby lube.
Then you screw it back on there.
Man, this is all. This, everything you say is can be turned into different terms. Okay.
Shut your ass up. You can go to AutoZone and get you an oil and an oil filter for $35.
That's what I just did.
Literally, $35 and you can do your own oil change.
And you can tell all them oil change places. Kiss your foot.
You can check your own air filters and all that by yourself. Air filters ain't nothing but like $10 to $15.
And they charge you like $30.
So, like I said, make sure it's nice and snug-a-lug on there. Wipe off all excess oil you got left.
That boy, hello.
It's empty. Okay. That's nice and tight up on there. You don't really need nothing but a hand tighten on that. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't want it to be extra tight. And you lube it up so it could be easier to come off for the next time you do the oil change. So you need a nice tight hand tighten on there. And after that, as far as under the car, now you done. You have no reason to come back under here. Well, that's to put with these newer cars, got these plastic panels on here. I had to push to the side and all that, but we're gonna do that later. So, but under the car, everything's tight, everything's good, everything's dry. So now you done under the car. So we about to go up top.
The fun part, the drippy of the oil.
Alright, y'all. So this is the filling part. So this is the 4-cylinder engine. So most 4-cylinder engines take 4.5 to 5 quarts. This is a 5-quart right here. So
the weirdest oil I ever heard of. OW20.
OW20 that this take. Weird grade of oil, but it's okay. So you do.
Now you see how clean that oil is.
That's how your oil supposed to look like.
It ain't supposed to look like charcoal fluid. No, that booty up.
Yeah, man. Just do this before you put the dipstick in.
Why is that?
Just so you get a proper reading. So we're at 4.5 right now. 4.5. Give me that rag down there. Yeah, 4.5 right now. So what we're gonna do is, matter of fact, it's better to have a little more than a little less. So we're gonna put the whole 5. You just don't never want to overfill the engine. Cause problem with that, man. Everything back together. Dipstick back in. And you start the car, let it run for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then check your oil level. You understand? So that's pretty much it. Oh man, look at the camera. There it is. So that's pretty much it when it comes to doing an oil change. Like I said, man, $35 you can do your own oil change. You ain't gotta spend $180, $100, $160, you know what I'm saying, to get somebody else to change your oil. You can do it yourself in like 20 minutes. You understand what I'm saying? So
I'm just falling asleep like BJ.
So you ain't gotta take. Shut up, man. So you ain't gotta take. You ain't gotta take your stuff to nobody else to do it for $100-something. You can do it for $35. Just take 20, 30 minutes out the day. Do your own oil change. Y'all see it. Back running. So yeah, man. That's gonna be the end of this video right here, man. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Like I said, like I always say, man, if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you ain't hit the like button yet, I don't know what you're doing right now. Hit that like button, man. That'll take number 2 seconds to hit the like button, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And you know what I'm saying? Be a part of the Dirty Shoe Gang. This is a movement, a family. So, that being said, I'll hit y'all later. This video was brought to you by my toes. I do not recommend, I didn't ever mention that I was doing this with my toes out. You understand what I'm saying? So I do not recommend doing this with your toes out, because I just get to the oil pan a little bit and they got oil all over my toes and my shoe. I just wipe the shoe off, but I still feel a little cruddy oil in between my toes, man. So make sure y'all wear a proper foot protection. You understand what I'm saying? So now the video's over. Peace.